All-Star Golf Cup.
All-Star Golf Cup. Oh shucks, it's so nice to be able to see some of my friends in the business. Tapos syempre yung mga businessmen. And I think they're all having fun in the golf course. So nagpapasalamat pa ako sa lahat ng mga syempre sumuporta. And sa mga sponsors namin. And all my friends, alam mo, most of them couldn't make it because everybody seems to be busy with the taping. Martin was here earlier to do the ceremonial kickoff. Kaya lang, yeah, si Senator sa akin. Super, super thank you.
Okay.
And this is of course for the PCCI movers.
Okay. Na-stress ka ba dahil tumulong ka ba lang sa
Madami naman tumulong sa akin from of course ang CCI. But syempre, because it's Magasaya Mountain Organizer, iba pala to. Pero masaya naman, sobrang saya. And I think, kumbaga sa yung reward naman niya is everybody's having fun. Tapos, we're all waiting for the golfer syempre to finish para it's parang party time, everybody gets to sit down and eat before some awarding. Ako kasi dati nung nag-golf ako, hinihintay ko lang na yung raffle.
Okay. Ngayon, ba't hindi ka yata, hindi ka jumoy?
No, I actually don't play golf anymore. So, that's why I'm just helping organize the golf.
Okay.
So, salamat rin sa inyo for covering.
Magiging annual event na ba ito?
Sana maging annual siya. So, siguro maski na hindi na ako kumbaga sa member ng PCCI, hopefully, we start something for the PCCI youth group.
Kumusta sa akin lang po tanong ito sa'yo? Ano na reaction mo sa good news na nagkaayos ng dalawang taong malapit sa'yo, si Seven at si Sharon?
Okay yan, syempre. I'm so happy. Alam mo naman, minsan, lalong-lalo na pag sobrang kayong nagmamahalan, may mga moments naman talaga na hindi pagkakaintindihan or something. Pero syempre, lalong-lalo na yun. Alam ko naman na sobrang close sila. So, it's really, really good news. And it really happens even amongst best friends and families. So, I'm just so glad when I heard about it now when I got back na okay na sila.
Okay. During those times ba na medyo hindi sila okay, may nag-confide ba sa'yo?
Oo, kasi close ako kila Nina, diba? Tsaka kila Shana. So, hindi naman sila nagkukwento, naririnig. Siyempre nababasa-basa ko din. So, I was just really concerned. But I told them na I'm sure magkakaayos rin naman. There's nothing naman na hindi naaayos. Lalo na pag sobrang malapit naman talaga. Tsaka nagmamahal.
Miss Fox, magsisimula na today yung show ni Sharon ko na.
On TV5?
Yes, opo.
Congrats, Ate Shawi. Ate Shawi talaga. Ate Shawi. Why not? Of course. Alam mo naman si...
Lahat daw kasi pinag-uusapan na lahat mo yan.
Oo, lahat naman talaga. Tapos si Shawi, every time I need her also, she always helps naman. Minsan nga nasa-surprise ako dyan. Minsan hindi ko ina-expect na binabati niya ako. Pero out of nowhere, bumabati siya. Wala lang. Kasi naalala lang daw niya ako.
Okay. And nakita ko sa mga record bars out na yung album ni Martin.
Yes, it did very well. Galing kami ng US and Canada tour. Yung reception ng mga, syempre, sumusuporta sa amin outside the Philippines. Sobrang excited sila for the album. Lalo na dun sa album rin ni Kuya, si Robin. So hopefully it does well here also. Kasi first time namin gumawa ng all duets album. No More Words, Under Politics.
Sa Canada, nag-together concert kayo. Dito ba sa Pilipinas? Meron na?
Hindi pa namin masyado napag-uusapan. So let's see.
Thank you, Miss Mabs.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.